Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Day 3,
Yes.
and today is the day of trekking, hiking in the
Trekking.
mountains.
Yes, finally we reached this day.
We have reached this day, but there are two important challenges. One, our tent. My tent is not waterproof. I think maybe it is. We can try it today.
I will put water on
let's
it.
let's try it today because I have not used it in rain, so I'm not very confident about the tent is waterproof or not. It shows here 70% chances of rain,
Rain, yes. In the
right?
mountain and all.
So this is challenge number one. Challenge number two, we don't have Azara's sleeping bag. Her sleeping bag is in Iran.
Iran.
Or we could arrange one, but we did not buy. We didn't want to buy a new one. I have my own, and for her, we are trying to rent a sleeping bag from here. And these are the two challenges mainly. Let's go.
Let's go.
कैंपिंग की पहली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई है। यहाँ पे धर्मकोट में ही ये जो ग्रोसरी स्टोर है, यहाँ पे संजय जी होते हैं और इनके पास आपको स्लीपिंग बैग जो है वो रेंट पे मिल जाएगा। स्लीपिंग बैग मिल जाता है रेंट पे, टेंट मिल जाता है रेंट पे। 1000 रुपीज़ में आपको टेंट, मैट्रेस और स्लीपिंग बैग दे देते हैं वो रेंट पे। आई थिंक 1 डे का कॉस्ट है, बट हमें इतना सब नहीं चाहिए था। टेंट हमारे पास है तो हमने स्लीपिंग बैग लिया है, उसके साथ मैट भी दिया है उन्होंने। 250 रुपीज़ अ डे।
Are we in Himalayan mountain now?
Yes, it's Himalayas, but the lower range means the down, we call it Shivalik range of Himalayas. So all these mountains you can see in India, where we are right now, they are Shivalik range of Himalayas. So travel learning number 5, that you need to follow a midway. You need to find a midway solution. So we decided to walk from Dharamkot to Gallu temple, but later we decided that if we waste all our energy here, how are we going to trek? So we found this local gentleman here. Hello. क्या नाम है सर आपका?
सर जी
शिवम सर है हमारे साथ में, और वो हमें एक अच्छे प्राइस में लेके जा रहे हैं ऊपर तक। सो नाइस ऑफ हिम। तो वहाँ से हम ट्रैक स्टार्ट करेंगे। एंड रोड बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफ रोड है गाड़ी के लिए। सर बोल रहे हैं पहले थोड़ा ठीक था ये रोड, अब ऑफ रोड है, बिल्कुल ख़राब हो गया क्योंकि गाड़ियाँ आती नहीं है, इसलिए बनाया नहीं। फिर काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऑफ रोड है। कहीं अगर उतरना भी है तो आप बोल सकते हैं, मैं थोड़ा सा वॉक कर लूँगा 10 कदम।
हाँ नहीं सर ऐसा कुछ
आप बता दीजिएगा।
आप आराम से बैठिए सर, कंफर्टेबल होंगे ना। चलो अपने थोड़ा अभ्यास है।
अभ्यास है आपको, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, अभ्यास होना चाहिए।
नए जो लोग आते हैं ना उनके लिए काफ़ी
जी मुश्किल है,
बड़ी काफ़ी डिफिकल्टी।
काफ़ी
कोई गाड़ी आ जाए तो बड़ा
मुश्किल हो जाएगा सर। राइट।
Gallu.
गल्लू।
Gallu temple is here. So we will take blessing and we will continue our trekking just has started.
Started
so we
now.
will go for our trek.
Last year when I came here, there was we need to give our ID cards there and get the permission, 1,500 rupees to get the permission for camping and all.
Camping?
Yeah. After 15th of April, this will be in place. Let me show you what.
Started, isn't it?
No, it means for trekking. Okay, for trekking, 200 rupees per person. Okay, if you don't do that, if you are caught, 500 rupees is the penalty if you go without permission of trekking. For tenting, to set your tent, 1,100 rupees. This is what I did last year. If you are doing tenting there and they catch you without permission, 5,000 rupees is the penalty. Exactly. This year it will start from 15th, so we are going for free.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. Babe, based on my trekking experiences, smaller steps with our own comfortable pace. Breathe from your nose, keep your mouth closed. We are not talking on the way. Sorry about that.
कोई बात नहीं.
Save our breath in, and 2-3 breaks we will take standing only. Okay. And then after 2-3 breaks we will sit and take rest, and then the same.
Great.
Great. ठीक है.
Yes, I will listen to you.
Merci Sarbaz. That's the first time I am trekking in the season when we have these red roses trees flourishing, booming. Not roses, these red flower trees.
Now the way is a little bit challenging.
And it's just the start.
Just to start.
Wait and watch.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So this is our first step, no, not the step, stop for taking just some break and rest with all our backpacks and with his view.
Babe,
Yes.
it was supposed to be our first standing break. No, you are already sitting. Make yourself comfortable, no problem. So what happens is, when you sit down completely while you're trekking, your the blood circulation also gets colder, and then when you continue your trek, you feel more tired. Your legs are
Shaking.
from rest to motion. From rest to motion, they become painful sort of thing, so it's better don't take rest don't sit and take rest, stand and take rest. And when you are trekking like that much, treks like this, when you are trekking like that, even stopping a bit will be a rest for you. You have just stopped, it will be a rest for you.
Yeah.
You remove your heavy backpack, it's a rest for you. You stand, it's a rest for you. So there is no need to sit unless you have walked for an hour or more than 30 minutes, something like that. Anyway, so are we ready?
Yes.
We need to cover the maximum distance before it rains. And Zara, as I'm saying, this is our easy trek in India.
Which is good.
This is for beginners.
Beginner.
So there are great difficult treks and all. My favorite, if you like to know, I mean, my dream treks are Kinnar Kailash, which I couldn't do. I mean, couldn't do as in the weather was like that they did not allow, Kinnar Kailash and Shrikhand Mahadev. And after that, I'm gonna take retirement from trekking somehow.
No, we will go with our.
Yes, we will do more Everest Base Camp, you mean?
Yes.
Wow.
What we will do.
You must be wondering, are you regretting that you married a traveler? Guys, never marry a traveler.
No, marry. If you like traveling and trip and all, so you need to marry. You need to be same.
So you
need to
like
be
it,
same
yes?
Yes.
I'm happy. Thanks for giving me company.
What are you talking about?
We have left the city behind. Oh, it is Buranch. Good observation here. And they make, you know what?
What?
Yes, they make juice, sharbat. They store it. They sell it in the bottles locally. Yes, Buranch. So this is Buranch. So we met two madams on the trail, and we are inspired to see
Yes,
that,
yes.
that all of you out there don't make an excuse, to
Just
do
live.
trekking. Yeah. May I share your age also? I know it's just a number, but
Yeah.
ma'am is 69 and she is 71, and we are like, wow, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you so
listen.
much for.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank. Somehow now it will be down. 4 kilometers to go. So we have come 3 kilometers. After that mark which says 4 kilometers to go, now there is a way which is going down, and it goes to Dharamkot. So there is a shortcut from Bhaksunag and Dharamkot also to go to Triund trek. How the thing is that according to locals also and my observation also, last year I came, that this way is much steeper. So since you are a beginner, the way is like only stones and not that much paved. Not that much paved, right, as compared to here. Halfway there, breathe in fresh air. Wow. Let me show the manzar also.
Actually, I am so much worthless. I don't know what to say. I don't know.
So let's have lunch,
Yes.
if you don't want to say anything. It is our lunch spot.
Yeah.
Look at here. How is it going?
बढ़िया.
मैं दिल की बात शेयर कर रहा हूँ. शादी लेट करने का एक रीज़न ये भी था कि आने वाले टाइम में इस तरह की ट्रैकिंग, इस तरह के ट्रेचरस पाथ, राइट, कोई मेरे साथ कर पाएगा या नहीं. लकीली मैडम से शादी हुई है और वो मुझे पूरा कंपनी दे रही है इस चीज़ में, क्योंकि वो खुद भी एक टूर लीडर रह चुके हैं ईरान में। तो आई एम ग्लैड कि जो मेरा एक एप्रीहेंशन था, एक डर था कि कहीं शादी के बाद ये सब चीज़ें ख़त्म तो नहीं हो जाती हैं एंड ऑल, तो वो तो नहीं है, राइट। अब नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्या होगा। थैंक गॉड। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू से पीपल हेलो ऑन द वे, हाय, टू फील मोर energetic throughout, and that's how you kind of motivate each other. Hey buddy. Hello. Beautiful. We don't know what it is exactly, but it sounds so beautiful. Wow. Lovely. It's a large group singing and enjoying. Hello. Congratulations, final stretch. Wow, 500 meters. After these 50 meters, it will completely change the view.
Wow, I am so waiting for this.
These last 50 meters, you will be like, oh. Guys, guess what? I came upward to check her reaction. Tell me you have seen that already. What is wow? What is wow? That is wow. That is wow. Guys, we have reached at the top of the Triund trek, Triund mountain. उसके टॉप पे हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं 2875 मीटर्स। और जो अगला मंजर है वो कमज़ोर दिल वालों के लिए नहीं है। आई एम सेइंग द नेक्स्ट व्यू विच आई एम गोइंग टू शो, इट्स नॉट फॉर द सॉफ्ट हार्टेड पीपल। Are you really ready?
Yes, yes, you are super duper.
So it starts like this.
It was.
It's snow-clad mountains. The best part is the moon gets closer here.
And
Wow.
the sun also is sunset in the back of our.
Where to set the tent?
Huh.
So we will keep our backpacks here. We will hang out and we will find a place which is most suitable for the tent. For example, last night when we were cooking, if you remember, the
Yes,
wind
yes.
was flowing that way.
Yes.
So we should be careful about that. So we can check today in which direction the wind is flowing. So if you see, it's the same. The wind is this way.
Wow.
So we avoid
Excellent way.
setting up tent the front of the wind.
Toward the wind.
Yeah, and we need a shade of a big stone or something, right? So that it protects us at night from the wind.
Oh, excellent. Merci, love.
Assalam alaikum. One more rule. Remember, we found one flex sheet,
Yes.
like a plastic,
Yes,
on our
yes,
way.
yes.
And I said, take it. We will use it in case it rains. We will put it on the
Yes.
tent, right? Now we found this old blanket also here near the tea stall, which is, you know, you need to find resources in the nature to survive, to use them optimally.
Right.
Come, babe.